Hello everybody and welcome to Lyle's Friday podcast here at C&S Corvettes. Hope you all had a good week. I've got some interesting new products to show you. You may remember that I did a video recently on some of the LED side marker lights that they've made for C5, C6, C7. Well, the C6s and C7s have been selling like hotcakes because you get all four corners and they look awesome. They're also a really great companion piece to the Morimoto headlights and taillights that we sell. But let's talk today specifically about C7s. Now, I've shown you in the past the C7 front and rear side marker full LED lights in smoke configuration. They look great with any color. They're super vibrant at night. You got that nice clear amber at the front and nice bright red at the rear, so your car really stands out at night, not only for safety, but it just looks so much more modern than that single light bulb in that great big reflector. Now, the same company that makes this stuff for us has come up with a new invention that I want to share with you. This is the rear reflector LED replacement lights for the C7. So you'll see in your rear bumper of your C7 you've got lenses that look like this. All they are is reflectors. But this company, who makes our front and rear side marker lights, has now made these with that same brilliant full LED light up effect to be wired in directly to the wiring for your rear side markers. Even comes with all the connectors and all that stuff. The wires are all pre-cut, everything's ready to go, and they come in both smoke and red configuration. These really light up the back of your car. You can see some of the video and pictures that my editor is putting in that I took the other day when we put these onto one of our customers' C7s. Now, I have a special deal going on this stuff. As I told you last time, the LED full front and rear side marker light set for the C7 is $149 shipped. These new rear reflector LEDs are $59 a pair, which would bring you to $208 for the whole package. Here's my special deal for this week. If you buy the front and rear side markers with the LED reflector replacements as a kit, I will sell you all 6 pieces shipped to your door in the United States for $189. So you're saving $19, which, hey, I'd been down to pick it up. Plus, it helps you out and it helps me out. These are really cool products. If you have questions about them, don't hesitate to call me and ask questions. 800-886-5064. Don't forget to like and subscribe, again, so we can continue to bring you cool content and cool new products like this as soon as they hit our door. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.